Next. Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class I discussed about the geometrical isomerism. So we know that how to identify the geometrical isomerism, and we know that naming of the geometrical isomerism, cis trans, another is EZ. The third one type is syn and anti-nomenclature. Syn anti. This is already I think little bit you learned in the aldehyde ketone chapter. Example CH3, C double bond N, like this. This is oxime. Which one this is? Oxime. Acetaldehyde react with the hydroxyl amide and it form oxide. You just check the aldehyde ketone chapter. Some reactions are there. So this is one oxide. So now we have to identify it shows the geometrical isomerism or not. Then what are the conditions? First one, restricted rotation present or not is there. Second one, groups at the restricted rotation different. This is also considered one group. Lone pair considered also one group. Okay. Then here also different is there. Distance anyway, relative distance different is there. So it shows the geometrical isomerism. But we can tell here cis and trans. Cis means what is it? Two groups are same side to the double bond or restricted rotation. Here same is the groups are no. Then we can give the EZ nomenclature. For this EZ nomenclature also we can give. But generally for oxygens we have the which one? Syn and anti. So with respect to hydrogen OH is same side. With respect to hydrogen OH is same. Already told maybe that you just remember. This is called syn form. Another one is CH3 H double bond N OH. This is lone pair. Then this is with respect to hydrogen OH is opposite side. Then it is called anti-form. Then you may ask the question. For this we can give the EZ nomenclature or not. We can give the EZ nomenclature. What is the rule for EZ nomenclature? First, find the restricted rotation and in mind only divide the half. And next one, give the priority at the both carbons. So this is first priority, carbon atomic number first priority, hydrogen atomic number 1, that is second priority. Now here lone pair and both. Lone pair will get the first priority or because this electron, this is oxygen atom directly bonded. Then which is get the first priority? Oxygen will get the first priority and this will get the least priority. Otherwise, note the here one statement, lone pair will get the least priority. Lone pair will get the least priority. Thus, what is the third one? If first priority groups are same side, Zane. Okay. If first priority groups are opposite, that is opposite side. Opposite. Then these are opposite. Which form this is? E. Opposite. Then automatically this which one? This is which one? Without numbering, you can write answer. This is Z form. Clear this is? Now, which form this is? These lone pairs are same side. Cis form type, otherwise it is also called cis. If it is like this, PH, En double bond, because restricted rotation is present, then here lone pair, here PH. Then it is anti-form or transform type. Clear this is? So totally in geometrical isomerism, what are the nomenclatures are? Cis trans, EZ, syn, anti. Now counting of geometrical isomerism. Counting of geometrical isomers. It is divided into two parts. One, Roman letter one, unsymmetrical alkene. Generally, we are discussing with respect to alkene, not with the cyclic, not with the steric inheritance. What is the restricted rotation? Double bond. Another is cyclic, another is restricted rotation. So, the cyclic I am not discussing now. Another one is the restricted rotation not discussing. Generally, double bond respective. In that, mostly which one involving carbon-carbon double bond. That only I am discussing here. Now consider here CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH double bond CH CH2 CH3. How many double bonds are there? 2 double bonds. Now this double bond will show geometrical isomerism or not. We just check first. Double bond is restricted rotation. HC is different or not? H and is total one group. Different or not? So different is that it shows geometrical isomerism. Here also geometrical isomerism possible. H ethyl group, H this group. Okay, totally geometrical isomerism is possible. Clear? Then if you cut this molecule like this, then here this CH, 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 CH. But right side what is there? Ethyl. Left side what is there? Methyl. Symmetrical or unsymmetrical? This is unsymmetrical. If you cut like this, then you are getting not equal bond. You are getting unequal bond. Unequal means unsymmetrical. So for this, whatever I am giving the formula applicable for unsymmetrical. So here, number of geometrical isomer is equal to 4n. 2 4 n. N is what is that? Number of double bond which shows geometrical isomerism. Here, N is what is that? Number of double bonds which shows GI. Put here how many double bonds are there? 2. 2 power 2. How many? 4. Now, this is you can calculate for easy formula, but they may give option. This is a molecule. Then option A, cis. B option, cis trans. C option, trans. D option, trans cis. E option, all. Got the question? Eh? Which of the following is correct? First option, cis. I will write there. A option is, I will write C only. You can say cis. B option, trans. C option, cis trans. And D option, trans cis. E option, all. Which is correct? All correct, because our based on this formula, how many you got? That 4 is that. That's the answer. This double bond cis possibility. This probability. This may be trans. This cis, this trans. This trans, this cis. That's the concept. So these 4 only. So like this also they may ask in examination. Clear this? Now. Tell how many geometrical isomers are possible. Tell fast. What is the formula? 2 power n. N what is it? Can you know? 8. I will write option A 8, B 6, C 4, D 10. Immediately we will answer this, but this is wrong. Right? This is you are not clearly reading this. What is that? Number of double bond which shows GI. This double bond shows GI. How to identify it shows GI or not? First find the restricted rotation. Second one, groups and that restricted rotation. Here carbon will 2, then here 4, 5. Same or not? Same it shows? No. This is not. Then this will show. This will show. Then it is symmetrical or unsymmetrical. If you cut like this, you will get the different part. Then it is unsymmetrical only. Then answer how much? 400. Then like this. So simple. One example. Like this, how many possibilities are there? Just and just giving. Easily you have to identify. Read this one clearly. Generally, somebody they will forget and they will give only heading. What is that? N means number of double bond, not double bond. Number of double bond which shows geometrical isomers. Clear? Now, second condition, symmetrical. or symmetrical molecule write. Instead of writing alkene, symmetrical molecule write here. Symmetrical molecule. In bracket write is molecule write better. Because sometimes double carbon double bond nitrogen also will be there. Here carbon double bond nitrogen also. That is not alkene. That is different form. So that also will consider. Now here two formulas are there. One, even number of double bonds which shows Gi. For this formula, number of Gi is equal to 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n by 2 minus 1. Second one, odd number of double bond. Don't consider equal bonds. This is double bond. Number of double bond which shows Gi. Then here number of Gi is equal to 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n minus 1 by 2. If you remember this formula, it is similarly applicable in the optical isomerism. Nearly, somewhat difference is there, but same little bit similarity is there. Then you have to remember this. How to remember this is common is there here. 2 power n minus 1, 2 power n minus 1. Here n by 2 minus 1. Even number by 2. Then what you will get? Even number only you will get. But if you do n by 2 minus odd number by 2, then you may get the fraction also. That purpose converting into even number by 2. What the concept? So general student confuse here only. N by 2 minus 1 for even or n minus 1 by 2 for even number. Then simply in your mind should be mathematically think. Odd number is there. Odd number by 2 minus 1 we know that it gets the fraction value also. So fraction molecule not exist. What the concept? So you have to convert into even by 2. Again you will get even numbers only. Or whatever 1, 2, 3 numbers you will get. So that is exist. So if you think like this mathematically, easy to remember. Only chemistry purpose you have to remember 1 or 2 days, 1 week you will remember. In examination time, these are reverse. Okay? So mathematically, when like this, repeatedly I am telling that equations or any problem that comes in, always your thinking should be mathematically. Now, we will discuss based on the symmetrical molecule. This molecule is symmetrical or unsymmetrical? Actually, it's like the same molecule given after completion of my MSc. I think that time in teaching second or third year, this question is given for this government job junior lecturer. So same like this question is given. I don't know this formula. I lost that nearly 1 month question, 2 months or 4 months is that I lost. Now I learn and now I am teaching this. No? Now then, come on. Symmetrical or unsymmetrical? Cut this molecule like double bond, CH3, CH3, same is it? Symmetrical. Don't consider that this is down is this up is there. If you write normally, then CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH, double bond, CH, CH3. If like this here, what do you think? Symmetrical or if you cut like this? Symmetrical. Now I represent in the one line notation. Okay. Now tell these both double bonds will show geometrical isomerism. Shows or no? Yes. Then even number or odd number. This and this observe. Both are same molecule. But here extra CH3 is there. Here CH3 only is there. But it means sorry, this CH2 extra is there. Okay, therefore it is converted to unsymmetrical. This is symmetrical. For unsymmetrical, this 2 power n formula. For symmetrical, even number, this formula, odd number, this formula. Okay, now it shows the geometrical isomerism both double bond. Put in this formula 2 minus 1, 1 then 2 power 1, 2. Then plus 2 by 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 power 0, 1. Then total how many possible? 3. Now, what are the possibilities of these 3? What are the possibilities of these 3? One is cis, B, trans, cis, C, cis, trans, okay, and trans. In that, which options are correct? Which options are correct? I will give E option all. If you are intelligent, easily you can identify this. Intelligence means what is that? Here answer is how much is there? Here how many options are there? 4 means 1 is not. Got the answer? Simplified. Don't think very big. Simplest form. Which is not, find out. Getting the answer? This is compulsory, this is compulsory. Maybe in these two, anyone, maybe not. Both are maybe not. If it is right, this is wrong. If it is right, this is wrong. Sir, how? You may ask the question. See, that is chemistry is related to mathematics. CH3, CH double bond H, and this is CH double bond CH. Which form this is? Which form this is? Cis form. If I write here CH3 and if I write here H, which form this is? Trans form. Okay? This is cis, this is trans. Cis trans. Trans is possible? No. Why not possible? It is symmetrical. If you count left to right or right to left, same now. But here we counted. Cis trans is we counted because not symmetrical. For right side is ethyl is there, for left side methyl is there. But here both side what is there? Methyl only is there. One time only you have counted. Reason, any one side it is flipping type only. But here if you flip, you will get different. So one time only counted. So which option is wrong? Any one is wrong because which one you are considering. Got the concept? So like this question will answer. That's why you have 3 only possible. Then cis is possible, trans possible. Or cis trans. Cis trans is nothing but trans cis only, that is reverse form. Clear? So think somewhat different. Different, don't think very different. So somewhat unique nature you have to think here. Not E option. E option correct. If you consider B is correct and C is wrong. Otherwise C correct means B is wrong. But B correct. Clear? Then one example only I am giving. Remaining you can write any one number of molecule like this. Symmetrical or unsymmetrical, you check that. Double bond, double bond, double bond. Now it is odd number or even number? Double bond, not carbons. Order, symmetrical or unsymmetrical? And check. CSC. Here, CSC. Symmetrical? Okay? Now you can cut here or here exactly. Then half double bond. Here one double bond, here one double bond. CSC. Then somebody will ask how it is symmetrical. Exactly you cut here. Now use this formula. 2 power n minus 1 means 2 power 2 n minus 1, 3 minus 1. Then 2 power 2 plus n minus 1, again it is 2 by 2. 1, that is 2 power 1. And how much total? 6. Then what are the 6? All 6 one form. All trans one form. 2 cis 1 trans. Okay? Then 2 like this we can probability we can arrange that. Then you will get all. I can arrange it, time taking, but you know the simple cancel like this we can arrange 6%. Okay, that is answer. Anyone is given like this only. But last class I given like somewhere. How many isomers are possible? Sir, here double bond not there. Double bond is there, we can apply. Because you have given that even number of double bond, odd number of double bond, we should geometrical types. Here, double bond is there? No. Which bond is there? Single bond, cyclic form, restricted rotation is present. But how many restricted rotations are present? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. If you apply, how many will you get? Then which form you have to consider? Symmetrical or unsymmetrical you have to consider? Getting confusion? Then here formula is not applicable. Here formula is not applicable. Otherwise, we can think in that unsymmetrical form. But how many restricted rotations are? 1 only. Don't think 2, 3. Why? If you give this 1, 2 position, then this is also 1, 2, this is also 1, 2 only. So only one restricted rotation is present. Only one restricted rotation is present. 2 power 1. 2. 2 only possible. In the last class I shown that thing. Cis form possible. 2 cis, 1 trans. That is only exist. Now 1, 2, 3. 1 position, 2 position, 3. This is 4. How many possibilities are there? Then how many isomers will get? 1 to 1, 1, 3, 1. Okay. Again, this is 1 to 1. Then how many restricted rotations are there? This is 1, this is 2. With respect to this, 1, 3. This is again 1 to 1. 1, 2, 1, 3. Total how many? 2 are there. 2 power 2? 4. Okay. Then what are the 4? Cis form, trans form. Here this 2 CH3 groups are cis also exists. Trans also exists. This CH3, this CH3, cis also exists. Trans also exists. Total how many? 4. Next, in this one, also I already shown this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell how many restricted rotation bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2 is there, 1, 3 is there. Again 1, 3 same, 1, 2 same. Then how many restricted rotation? 2, 1. Then this is cis also, trans also. Cis also, trans also. Then total how many? 4 possible. But if you take this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, Cl consider now. Instead of CH, now Cl consider. Tell how many possibilities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. 1, 2 cis trans. 1, 3 cis trans. 4. 1, 4 cis trans. 6. When it is 1, 2 in cis trans, these are maybe cis, these are maybe trans. Then total how many? 8%. Then if you count with respect to this one, then here you are getting the wrong answer. Getting it? If you get like this 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, you will get 6 only. But action answer how much? 8. You can apply here 1, 2, 1 restricted rotation, 1, 3, 1 restricted rotation, 1, 4, 1 restricted rotation. Then total how many restricted rotation? 3. Then 2 power 3, you will get 8 answer. That is how apply it. Clear this is? So these are look like if I take all you can understand it is easy only. But in competitive exam like this example, if you see any objective book will not appear. Sometimes suddenly given you will face the problems. So these are just to improve your strategy how to apply in examination. That's a practice. Immediately in examination, anyone student will get the confusion. So practice makes man perfect or anyone perfect. Man only. Dog. Dog also perfect. That's why anyone perfect. Not only man. Women. Anyone will perfect. So, now we know that how to calculate the geometrical isomerism and double bond given like this anyone. Clear? So last class I gave one example. Which one? That is HCH3 double bond CH double bond CH3 CH double bond CH3. For this, how many geometrical isomers are possible? How many geometrical isomers? Then what you will think here? Double bond 1, 2, 3. Symmetrical or unsymmetrical this is? Unsymmetrical will think. Unsymmetrical means what you will apply? Formula 2 power n. 2 power n means how many you will get? 3 double bonds mean 3. 2 power 3 mean 8. 8 possible or not check. But already I told that this group look like the same. Same means it shows geometrical isomerism? No. But it shows geometrical isomerism when? If it is cis form or E form, Z form, like this is there, it shows. So this will show now it is not geometrical. GI is not when the upper part is cis form, down part also cis form, then it do not show geometrical isomerism. It do not show geometrical isomerism, upper part trans, down part trans do not show. It shows geometrical isomerism if it is cis, if it is trans shows. It can show geometrical isomerism if it is trans, if it is cis. It can show geometrical isomerism. If you are not applying cis trans, then you can say Z, E, you can say E, then it is Z. Then how many isomers are possible? 4? Anything. This is only 4 for with respect to this. 2 possible. These groups are not. Then 2 possible. Cis possible? As well. E or Z you can consider. E or Z possible. If it is just I am not giving with respect to nomenclature. If it is E form, then it is Z form. Otherwise it is Z form, then it is E form. Only 2 isomers are possible. But if these are different, here also what are the possible? EZ possible. Here also EZ possible. Clear? Then total how many possibles are there? 6 only. Getting concept? So this is the way you have to apply. Here the formula is not applicable. So some molecules are like this only. We cannot apply. Okay? Now, after this, geometrical isomerism, what is maximum I covered? Maximum covered means concept I covered. So many examples are there, like this difficulty level, that you have to understand by these concepts only. Now, optical isomerism. What is the optical isomerism? Optical isomerism is stereo isomer or not? The stereo isomer. So, what are the conditions to identify the stereo isomers? Stereo isomers mean what is that? Connectivity is same, but arrangement of atoms or group will be different. Another one very important thing, what is that? Functional group is same, but IUPAC name also same, but which is differ? Prefixes differ. What are the prefixes? Maybe cis trans, EZ, RS, me. So like this, prefixes will be different. So in that, geometrical isomer will come, optical isomer also will come. Geometrical part is over. Next, which one? Optical isomers. In optical isomer, what is the necessary condition to show optical isomers? Why we have to discuss the optical isomers? Now, this is one compound. This is one component. Now, this cap is towards the right to me. This side not. This one part. This is considered one medicine. Compound. This one considered medicine. If right side is there, it is good for human being. If left side is there, bad for human being. It may be poison also. That's why very carefully they are preparing the medicines. Very small molecule same, atoms everything same. Only arrangement of atoms or group differ in the space. The total property changes. If it is R configuration may be good for health, S configuration may be poison to health. Or sometimes S may be good, R may be poison, or it may be create some disease also. Therefore, very important to know that optical isomers. Then, having some set of rules how to identify that optically active or inactive, what is the RS nomenclature, that we will discuss in the next class. Completed?